In this video, I'll be telling you how you may post your circle map for our first discussion by computer to complete your first discussion assignment. A circle map is a way of thinking to help somebody explore a topic. You will be posting a circle map onto discussion 1 to help others understand 3 to 5 statements you want them to know about you. So let's get started. So you've seen my sample circle map and you have now written 3 statements about yourself. In addition, you have specific details that help you explain more about these statements and what they mean to you. Take a picture of the circle map. You can use the camera function and go to photo right here. And you're going to go ahead and now take that picture nice and clear so that you can see every part of that. Boom. You've taken your picture, you click on the picture itself, and there's an icon on the lower left of your screen of your iPhone. You can't see it, but it's a little sending button, so you click that sending button. And you're going to go ahead and email that to you. You can use Gmail or you can use Mail. Okay, so I'm going to use Gmail because I'm used to Gmail and that's how I usually send my information because I trust my Gmail account. And I send it there. You want to send it to your address, so you might type in your address at the top. I'm going to go ahead and type in my address right there. So now I have my address at the top. I'm ready to send this picture and I click on that button. There's a button kind of at the bottom that says, oh, there, I'm sorry. It's a button at the top. It's a type of arrow button, arrow icon that you can see. Kind of hard to see actually through this camera. Oh, there you go. There it is. And you click on that button right there. Okay. And then it says, and it'll send it. Okay, so now you sent it over. You hear that there's the message, and now we can get to the main parts, what we need to for getting out and saving our circle map. So now I am back at the internet and I'm going to go ahead and look here, and I click on my inbox and I see that yes, there is a picture that I just took, and there's my beautiful circle map there. What I have to do is I have to click on this little button here, and that is the download button. I click there. It'll take a second, but if you'll notice down here, it'll appear down here in this lower window as a file that it's downloading. It may take a minute to download. Once it is fully downloaded, you click on it. You can see that the file here is in the download portion of my desktop. So I may just go ahead and drag it or just leave it in the download for now. And what I'll do is I'll bring it to the next step of going to the Canvas site. So now I'm back and I've entered into my discussions. You've clicked on discussions and you've gotten into your discussion site. And here, as you can see, for your convenience, I'm here in discussion 1 again. It's going to take a couple seconds. Hopefully not too long for you. Okay, so now you are entering in to the circle map introductions. I'm back into the discussion board, and I'm going to go back to that previous reply that I first made. And if you notice, there's no actual picture, but I want to add a picture now. So I'm going to look at this little mini waffle. There's about 3 dots there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on that waffle to try to edit this little icon. So I'm going to say I click on it and it gives me these choices. I'm going to click on edit. We have this kind of final product, but let me just make sure that we understand it. So remember, my last point there was to click on edit, and what I just did was I put in a circle map. So let me just show you again, because we skipped a step. Okay, so that wasn't there. I'm going to do it one more time so that everybody knows what I'm doing. I'm now clicking on images. I click on upload new image, and I'm going to take that particular file from wherever it is, whether it's in downloads or desktop. In this case, I have a copy from the desktop, so I'm just trying to do this as quick as I can. I'm going to save it as circle map. This is a circle map of who I am, so giving it a description, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload and click on upload there, and if you can see, that's happening. And notice, voila, this has appeared. I'm going to press done, and now you have your circle map that you have placed in here. We can click here again to preview the circle map, and there you go. You are officially done, and with this assignment you have went ahead and displayed the circle map. The circle map will come in just a minute, so I'll just with being able to get the circle map on. Now the only last step that you may not have seen is the clicking on that, and that would preview the circle map. And given our time, I would just say you've done everything you could, and other people should be able to see your circle map. Congratulations, and I hope you enjoy posting your circle map on your discussion. Goodbye.